Today I'm going to talk about some specific Suzuki models produced from the early 80s until very recently. And more specifically about their engine. I think the GN250 was the first model to use this engine, which is easy to recognize because it has two exhaust headers despite having a single cylinder. Then the substitute of the GN was called TU or Volti, depending on the area where it was sold. But the most well-known model equipped with this engine that have record sales was the Marauder 250, also known as GZ. This model was sold everywhere around the world, and thousands of units have been sold from the early 90s to very recently, because it has a lot of success back in the day and still have a lot of success as a used bike. Somewhere up there or in the description box you will find a link to a video I made a couple of years ago about some crazy mods I did to one of the Marauder I had. Yeah, I just did some crazy things on it just for fun. So you may be asking yourself, after seeing the title and the thumbnail of this video, is what's wrong with this engine? Well, these bikes, and specifically this engine, have a very big problem. And that problem is that they are extremely reliable. And do you know what happens with vehicles that are incredibly reliable? Because they keep going along the years and several owners, they stop receiving correct maintenance. It will continue to start and drive you anywhere, so why bother and spend money until it's too late? These bikes suffer a major failure if they are not properly cared about. There is no bearings between the camshaft and its supports on the cylinder head and cover. If you don't use a good quality oil, keep the level high and replace it when needed, the camshaft and the supports will grind each other, resulting in a very expensive breakdown. The bike will continue to run, slowly getting worse and with more noise from the cylinder head, until the total breakdown. Because of that, there is a scarcity in new or used parts for the repair. If you have one of these bikes, with a good maintenance, it will last an insane amount of miles. Replace the oil with a good quality one every 5,000 kilometers or 3,000 miles. It doesn't hurt to do it earlier. Also, the user's manual recommends to replace the oil filter every 2 oil changes, but the filter is very cheap, so I replace it every time. And don't forget to check frequently the oil level. It's very easy. There's a window on the side of the engine. It's very easy to check, so refill if needed. Try to always be on the maximum level. If you are considering buying one, run away from noisy cylinder heads and unstable idlings. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.